Hello, technical reporting students, and welcome to class. I'll be your instructor, and my name is Tim Brennan. So this video will be all about how to use Blackboard, which is the learning management system for the course. Once you're logged into Blackboard, perhaps the most common place to go is the Content tab. So when you click on this Content button here, it will bring you to the course content. This is where you find all of the assignments and the activities that you need to complete in the class. The first thing to start with is this Start Here folder, the class information, resources, and week 1 assignments. So you can click on that folder and that will drop down all of the activities and assignments for the week. So you'll see things like videos, this video, how to use Blackboard and get started on the class, our agenda, as well as reading the syllabus, purpose, guidelines, and grading of the course, and other things for the first week like technology requirements that you're going to need, guidelines for using artificial intelligence, and student resources for the course. So for example, if you're going to read the syllabus, you would click on that item. It brings up this page where you can read about the syllabus, purpose, structure of the course, and then also read the PDF syllabus of this class and the visual syllabus as well. So you can take a moment to read through those things to get familiar with this course. Then every week you'll also see these assignments that say submit. So when you see the word submit in this course, it means there's something that you need to turn in or submit to Blackboard. So for example, that first assignment is a discussion board where you introduce yourself and establish team roles and norms. To complete this activity, you click on that discussion board. That'll bring you to a page where it's the discussion topic. It'll include the instructions for introducing yourself, and then when you're ready, you can go right here to type your response and type in a response. After you've typed in your response, you click respond to send in your discussion post, and then you can also respond to your classmates in this same place as well. You can use this attachment icon if you want to attach a file, like if you want to complete your work in Microsoft Word or Google Docs or something and then attach the files. You can do that right there. But it's up to you how you want to respond in this discussion board. Also in week 1, there's a couple more assignments, including Growth Journal 1 and a diagnostic writing assignment or a practice writing assignment. So for the Growth Journal, you click on that assignment, then you click View Instructions, and here you can see the assignment instructions where you score yourself on the different learning competencies for this class and then answer some Growth Journal questions. You can type in the submission box here. You can also attach a file if you'd like to do that for this assignment. Once you've completed the assignment, you can click Submit in the bottom right-hand corner. And the last thing to do for week 1 is to complete the diagnostic writing assignment. So this is a practice writing assignment where you write a set of instructions on something that you already know how to do, and then you submit it here in this place on Blackboard. You can type in your response or attach a Word file or document. So those are the basics of Blackboard, how to get started with the course, and where to submit the first assignments. Another place where you'll spend a lot of time in Blackboard is in the announcements tab here. So when you click on the announcements, you'll see announcements from me every week. This is where I will tell you the agenda for the week, the activities and assignments that you'll need to complete. You'll also use the gradebook quite a bit in this course. This is where you can see the assignments that you submitted, your grade or percentage on each assignment, and then the results and messages from me. So I'd encourage you to check this weekly to see messages from me about how you did on your assignments and your next steps for learning. Other features of Blackboard include the discussion posts, these discussion boards you'll use in this course. You can also use the messages, groups, and achievements tabs, maybe less so those ones, but for the main part, you'll use content, announcements, gradebook, and the discussions in this course. So let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to being your instructor. Take care.